How to change menu hover color in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So let's just go on and get to it. So first, you simply just want to go to your Shopify dashboard, go to online store themes and click on edit theme. Now in here, you simply just want to go down to the description. You should be able to find some code. Simply just copy that and follow along. So once you actually copy the code from there, you simply just want to click on the header section, like so. And you want to scroll down to the bottom until you find the custom CSS option. Just go and click on that and paste in the code right over here. Now, this is going to be different depending on your theme. For me, it's going to be like this one, which is the Horizon theme. So if you have Horizon theme, don't worry about it. Just paste it in and you're good to go. If it's a different theme, maybe you would want to actually change this name right over here. I'm going to zoom in for you to see. So this name is going to, or might be different for you. So in order to find the proper name for this, for your theme, what you need to do is just go to any of these menu items and you basically just right click on them and click on inspect. And once it actually opens up, you are going to be able to find class equals and then the double quotes, and whatever is between those double quotes, you simply just want to copy that. So for me, it's menu-list underscore link. This is going to be the name. And then you simply just paste in the name like so, and you add a colon and hover like exactly this way. And once you do that, you simply just want to change the color later on. But for now, you can just go and test it out and see that it actually works. Now the hover effect for me is green, but let's say we want to change the green now to be, let's say, red. So in this case, we just want to replace this hex code with the red's hex code. So how do we actually find a proper hex code for the color that we want? It's quite simple from Shopify. We can just go to theme settings, go to colors, just pick any scheme that you don't actually use or you just create a new one. Go to any of them, just highlight it and pick a color that you like. Let's say just go for dark red or bright red. And we simply just want to copy this and go back to our custom CSS. And here we just want to basically replace this code here with the new one like so. And now it's going to be red. And this is pretty much it for this video. This is how to change the hover effect of your menu items. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.